The immigration experts will provide reliable information weekly on U.S. immigration laws and how it affects individuals who wish to pursue the great American dream. The immigration experts from Reeves Associates, or R&A, know very well that the pursuit of the American dream can be very challenging and fraught with many hidden dangers. The partners believe that if aliens are provided reliable immigration information, they will be able to avoid the consequences of self-representation or being poorly represented. The Immigration Experts program was produced to serve as a medium through which the partners of Reeves Associates could share their extensive expertise and knowledge of U.S. immigration laws and procedures. R&A believes that the show will help the viewers make informed decisions about their immigration situations and help them avoid the many pitfalls that could destroy their American dreams. Each week, one partner, who is an immigration expert, will delve into various immigration topics, such as family and employment-based petitions, deportation defense, waivers, investors and visitors visas, among others. Troy Montero, a well-known Filipino-American celebrity, will ask the experts probing questions in order to help the viewers navigate the complex maze of U.S. immigration laws. Clarissa Rivera entered the U.S. on a tourist visa. After weeks of staying with relatives, she was encouraged by her aunt to stay in the United States for good. She was told that it was easy to legalize her status as long as she could find an employer to file a petition for her. Trusting and believing her relatives, she decided to stay, accepted an employment offer, and started working as a caregiver. 5 years later, she is still in search of a way to get her green card. Clarissa married her boyfriend of 5 years, who filed a petition on her behalf. Her boyfriend, who is a green card holder, decided to file everything by himself. After a few months, the Pandora's box was opened. Clarissa, together with her husband, are faced with serious issues. This week, Attorney Nancy Miller, head of the Deportation Defense and Family Reunification Departments of R&A, will tell us what happens when a non-citizen is in the U.S. illegally, because they came to the U.S. without papers, or because they stayed in the U.S. after their visa expired.
Every day, people enter the United States looking for a better future for themselves and their families. These are real people behind the population of undocumented aliens. They represent real families who have been separated indefinitely from each other. Some of these desperate people return in fear and despair to lands where they've experienced persecution. Parents who fled lands because they could not feed or provide for their families are agreeing to return to the situation because they believe they have no other choice. I visited Reeves Associates' office in Los Angeles and sat down with attorney Nancy Miller to see what happens when a person gets out of status. Today I'll be talking with partner attorney Nancy Miller. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good. I've heard something called unlawful presence. What is that?
Unlawful presence is what happens when someone is in the United States illegally. They can either have come in with a visa and overstayed the visa, they can come in without a visa.
Attorney Nancy E. Miller is the Senior Associate of Reeves Associates. She heads both the Deportation Defense and Family Reunification Departments. She became a partner of the firm in January 2008. Attorney Miller has successfully represented hundreds of clients in political asylum, withholding of deportation, cancellation of removal, and fraud waiver cases before the Immigration Court, U.S. District Court, and the United States Court of Appeals. She successfully argued the landmark case of Song versus INS, a U.S. District Court case involving the availability of 212 waivers for persons convicted of certain crimes. During the more than 20 years that Ms. Miller has been an attorney, she has defended clients in the immigration courts, obtained immigration and naturalization benefits for clients from the INS, defended clients in state and federal criminal proceedings, and pursued post-conviction relief, such as petitions for habeas corpus and writs of coram nobis for non-citizens convicted of crimes. She was named one of Southern California's super lawyers for 4 years in a row, beginning in 2006 up to 2009. Nancy E. Miller obtained her bachelor's degree from the University of California at Los Angeles in 1974. She graduated with a Juris Doctor degree from Southwestern University School of Law in 1984. She was admitted to the California State Bar in 1985. She is also admitted to practice before the U.S. District Court for the Central District, the Southern District of California, the Northern District, and the Eastern District of California, the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit, the Fifth Circuit, and the Second Circuit, and the U.S. Supreme Court. She is a member of the American Immigration Lawyers Association, or AILA, and the Los Angeles County Bar Association, Immigration Section. She is currently the AILA liaison to the Executive Office for Immigration Review, Immigration Court.